Yeah.
So coming down to this astrologers and these tarot readers, I am a tarot reader
Yes.
myself, but um, I feel that there are some times when people are too dependent on these predictions.
Yes.
In fact, nowadays if you look, the Instagram is flooded with ye kar lo, wo kar lo,
अरे
tumhara ye ho jayega,
यार
and I'm like, if that would be it, we would all be somewhere in a very
तो
beautiful
वो
place.
खुद मतलब कहाँ पे होती अगर उसको सारा
Yeah.
इन्फॉर्मेशन था.
So, you know how important it is for the viewers to understand, or how would you explain that there is a balance between taking guidance, but the actual answers are sitting with self, empowering yourself. And moving, like I'm sure your job as an NLP practitioner is to empower people
Of
to
course.
reach a place where they are equipped on their own to reach to be able to take course of their own destinies, like take charge, and they know how
Yeah.
to move, what to do, how. And if you're dependent on people who are predicting, then that's just hope that you're building
Yeah.
on to. So where is this line? Where's
So
the balance?
इसके दो पहलू होते हैं. There are two ways of looking at it. Of course, if you keep flipping from one person to the other, one tarot card reader to the other, one Reiki person, and you're going on asking all kinds of astrologers, seriously, it's not going to work for you.
Yes.
Because there's a science behind this also.
Yes.
What is astrology? Of course, there's a science of the planets,
Of course.
understood.
Yes.
बट जब एक एस्ट्रोलॉजर आपको कहता है कि ये रिंग पहनो, या यहाँ पे एक धागा बांधो, या एक नाउअडेज ये ग्रीन में यहाँ पे लिखो, व्हाट इज इट साइंटिफिकली इन NLP वी कॉल इट एंकरिंग. यू आर एंकरिंग योर होप, योर थॉट्स, योर फोकस, योर रेजिलियंस. इट्स अ विजुअलाइजेशन कि मैं यहाँ पे लिखूंगा तो मुझे
Things will get
ढेर
better.
सारे पैसे आ जाएंगे. अगर ये शिद्दत से आपने ये मान लिया तो आपके
हो
लिए
जाएगा.
हो ही जाएगा.
Amazing. Beautiful.
आपके लिए हो ही जाएगा, क्योंकि बात कहाँ पे बन रही है? बात आपके सबकॉन्शियस में
Yes.
बन रही है. ये आप तो हर आदमी को नहीं बताने वाले हो कि मैंने ये लिखा है और ये होने वाला है. करेक्ट, यू डोंट
Yes.
शेयर ऑल दोज थिंग्स,
Yes.
राइट? वो सिनेमन पाउडर करना या whatever थिंग्स यू आर यूजिंग. At a time when you are lost, you will try to anchor yourself at everything.
Correct.
I was also prey to it.
Correct.
I tried
We
to
all
do
do.
crystal healing. I tried to do candle healing. Everything.
Yes.
लेकिन उससे वो मुद्दा या वो ट्रॉमा सॉल्व
Solve
तो
नहीं
नहीं होने
होता.
वाला है. That is all inside of
Change
you.
within you is so
The
important.
change has to happen within.
Yeah.
And then yes, you can maybe use one person who kind of you feel you're resonating with, and he can guide you on
Helps
that
you give the
path.
push. that
Just gives you
need.
the push. But I will tell you, having said that, many years ago, when I had signed Kaho Na Pyar Hai, I had gone to a tarot card reader. That time I was not into tarot card reading. Those days also tarot card कहाँ पे होता था? बहुत
There was
थोड़े.
one famous
one
one who had come
famous,
up,
yeah. So I had gone to a lady, and she's still famous. She writes for the newspapers, and she had told me that the movie that you are going to do in the year 2000 will put you on the international map of entertainment.
Wow.
That will be you will be known as that for life. You know, it's like Arnold Schwarzenegger. I'll be back. He's done so many other movies after that, but he's known as that.
Yes.
You know, Tom Cruise, he's known as, Mission Impossible. He's done so many other movies.
Yes.
So, Kalia,
Yes.
the late Viju Kote, मैंने आपका नमक खाया है. So just like that, Sonia became international on the streets of Manhattan. I couldn't believe it. People were like, "Arey Sonia,
Yeah.
She had told me. So kabhi kabar kya
It's
hota
very
hai?
important you get that guidance.
Yeah. She just told me that.
Yeah.
She didn't tell me ye karo, wo karo. No.
Yeah.
It was just that she told me, and I was like, yeah, whatever. कौन सा इंटरनेशनल मैप यार, मैं तो इंडिया में हूँ, whatever,
Yeah.
you're young at that time, you're only 21, 22, so and you're not exposed to life. But yes, I have gone to tarot card readers and they do guide me, and I do take their guidance, but at the end of the day, I take my own decisions. I don't rely on it.
Yes.
And sometimes what they explain, especially the astrologers, they explain something which kind of resonates
Yeah,
with
and
you.
it helps you get clarity at
Yeah.
times.
But I've also noticed at different phases of your life, different astrologers will come.
Yes.
And those that helped you maybe when you were 30, they don't help you when you're 40.
The predictions won't come only.
Won't come only.
Yeah.
So अलग अलग लोग have
will,
helped
yeah.
me at different times.